So what if I told you you no longer have to go to the store to have Buttermilk Ranch? That's right. You can make Buttermilk Ranch right in your kitchen, in the comfort of your own home. And the best part about it is, it's affordable, and you probably already have the ingredients right at your house. So let's get started. Okay, so some of the key ingredients that you'll need: dried chives. Now you can use fresh, that all depends on what you would like to do, but I find that the dried chives do work just as good. The Hellmann's mayonnaise, you can use Duke's, but we saw this at a nice deal at Costco. They had a sale going on, so we decided to just buy this one and stock up. And of course, your buttermilk. You can use full fat or low fat, it all works. Okay, so first we're going to take half a lemon. Just go ahead and squeeze and get the juice out of it. I mean, you want to use fresh lemon juice if you have it. It's always good getting it squeezed right out of the lemon. Okay, so first we're going to take our mayonnaise, get that all scooped out, put that in our container. And we're going to go ahead and take some sour cream, put that in the container with the mayo. We're going to go ahead and pour some buttermilk. We're going to give this a great, nice whisk until it becomes nice and smooth and creamy. You want to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated in this. Now we're going to take our lemon juice, put that in there, and give that a good whisk as well. And we're going to go ahead and put some salt in here, pepper, brown black pepper. We're going to go ahead and put our garlic powder, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of our minced onion. Let's go ahead and give that a nice whisk in. Now we're going to go ahead and put our dried chives, some dill weed, and you want to make sure you get the dill weed. And give that a good mix in. And there you have it. That's Buttermilk Ranch, and this is great for parties. You can have it with chips. We like to eat ours with the Mixed Vicky's sour cream kettle cooked chips. Tastes so good. Veggies and dip. Like, you can use this for lots of things. Once you make this and try this recipe, you won't go back. And we're just gonna go ahead and pour this in our jar. And this made about 1.5 cups of Buttermilk Ranch dressing. And if you want a little more, just double the recipe and you'll have even more. And here it is right here. This will be great for parties. You can use it for chip and dip. We like to use the Miss Vicky's sour cream and onion, actually, the kettle cooked chips, and it tastes really good with that. You got carrots and dip. This is just a great party appetizer, just a nice pick-me-up snack if you want to just have a snack after a long day, you know. Also, I would like to share a word with you today in scripture, and we're in Psalms chapter 34, verse 4. I sought the Lord, and he answered me and delivered me from all of my fears. So just remember to seek the Lord, cry out to him, and he will deliver you from all your fears. He's the same God back then as he is today, and he's never changing. Have a blessed week. All right, so if you liked what you've seen, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and press this like button. If you're gonna try our Buttermilk Ranch recipe, let us know down in the comments. What are you gonna eat yours with? And also let us know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.